So you want to go from this to this or this? Then check out this leg workout. Hack squat on Smith machine.
You can see the riding on the pavement. Young kids that growing up in basements. Online, a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it.
Leg press.
Always they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the older generation.
What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had
Sumo
enough.
Deadlift.
Keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet.
Wow.
Yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah.
Wow.
I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough.
Dumbell lunges.
With the old plan, they know that we're calling it wrong.
It's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation.
Check out description for full free written leg workout with more details. But wait. Did you know there is coffee that the more you drink it the more slimmer you get? Check link in description for your own Coffee Slimmer Pro and get your body in shape for the summer.